Are you eating? Are you eating? No? How come? Ayun o, ahas. Ayun. Snake.
He's over there.
There's like the one snake near the.
Ayun siya daw. Anong pangalan nito, Shira? Tignan mo nga.
Oh, it's a vulture.
Vulture? Ah, carnivorous. Ano mga vulture? All right.
Yeah, it's just
Ayan.
I'm bringing Skylar because there's a lot of animals.
So, papakita niya sa mga animals yung Skylar.
Skylar.
Si Tyler.
Tyler.
Kunin natin yung ating bags.
Okay, guys. Just ignore
Get the bag. Get the bag, get the bag, get the bag. Are you gonna stay here, Macho?
that.
Bahala ka.
May tubig na ako dito.
May tubig ka na.
Okay na yung isa.
Okay.
Kuya, may iwan ka? Kuya?
Ay, may iwan ka, Macho?
Kagalit si Shira na ko. Kagalit si Shira. Halika na.
Okay, let's go. Macho, are you gonna stay?
Sabi mo sa mama.
Hindi ka na, lakad ka na. Maglakad-lakad tayo. Para may exercise. Oh, close na natin. Op, 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 op. Palubat na pala ako. Okay lang yan. Let's go. Ayan na. Welcome to Shubinakidi. Ayan, nandito tayo kung saan tayo naroroon. At tayo'y mamamasyal ulit. Okay.
Ito na dyan yung jacket namin.
Naku, mawala mamaya yan, oh. Welcome. Shubinakidi. Anong year? May alam ko, may video na rin ako dati dito eh. Siyempre, pakita natin yung mga mga animal. Yung mga animal, mamaya. Kita natin. Daanan. Pwede pala mag-park. Ay, hindi, yun pala. Pwede pa pala mag-park doon. Mas malapit. Okay, alright. Dura, the Explorer. Ha? Sino yan? Si?
Skylar.
Skyler.
Si ano na? Yung batang kaibigan mo?
Me?
Hindi
Si Shira.
Nasa ospital. Baka siguro nag-blood work. Si... Ano pangalan mo yung sa French? Ano? Ha?
Si...
Si... Daan? Oo. Tangkad niya na, no?
Explore and discover.
They wash ate ice cream.
Doon, yun ata doon sa restroom.
Wait, let's go inside first. Let's go inside. Let's go inside. There's like fish tanks in there. Inside.
Asan?
Inside.
Sige, punta tayo doon.
I'm pretty
Tayo
sure
doon.
I saw.
Tingnan tayo sa... Tingnan natin dito.
Please don't touch
Don't
the
touch
ducks.
the ducks.
Where's the ducks?
Yeah.
It's not real one.
Touch the duck. Ayun. Unalmas. Nalunod na.
It's a capybara.
Sure. Ingi ka na doon. Ingi ka na doon. Dali na doon sa mama ko ng tao.
Here, look. Look at the back. Beaver.
Beaver. May mga ahas dito eh. Snails. Ayun o, ahas. Ayun.
There's like the one snake near the near like the barber shop at
Sa Baguio dati.
yeah at
Oo.
town.
Yung snake. Ayan, yung snake. Saan yung ulo niya? Where's the head? Yung mga ano niya, pinagbalatan. This one, huh? Oh, frog pala, frog. Ano naman dito? Snake din. Hindi. Kaya kung ano makita, hindi ko makita eh. Mga bungo oh. Walang laman. Mga ganito ata. Do not touch. Isda.
Look at this guy. Who did you say it was? No.
How did he?
Mga fishy.
Oh, ikaw na nilid.
Okay. Is it okay to
Ikaw na
hold?
nilid.
Meron.
Do you remember? Do you remember you
Pero natutulog na siya.
like in the town, the yellow one too. Yeah, I still remember that.
Look. Cattail.
The yellow one.
What's in here? What's in here? What's in there?
I don't know. Maybe just like this one.
But you got scared of this.
No, I don't.
Any turtle. Two
So what
turtle.
if it was actually real and this looked like plastic? Because you know how like
But I could see the lines.
Ito na tayo mga wheel.
Ito leash. Kuya Matt.
Oh, I saw this. Mama.
Linta ba yan din?
No, Mama. What's his name?
Linta.
The person that you like catching fish. He caught that before, but it was dead.
Dragon claw. Ako rin.
I choose a green glitter.
Dragon claw.
Susot ka.
No, there.
Oh, tara, go Shira. Go.
Shira, this is my favorite because it looks like you.
Dapat nakagaling ko. Sige.
What is this?
Uy.
What is that?
Ayan. That's a fly. Yun o. Wait.
Dahan-dahan naman ah. Pugot.
What's the other one?
It's a frog.
It's a frog? Wait. You can see the frog bones.
And then a wing.
Dragonfly wing.
It's boring. Let's go.
Whatever that is. Oh yeah, the start.
Corn cockroach. Fruit roots.
Wait, come.
After. Eastern.
Pupunta na doon. Susunod ka. Ano si Kuya?
Ano na lang to. Mga buto-buto.
It's like plastic. Okay, I don't want to watch that.
Mm.
Mm-mm.
Which one? Tingnan mo muna dito. Okay. Same as this one.
Nom nom.
Yung dito na tayo mag-start sa ating adventure dito sa Wildlife Station.
Ito ang ano,
Explore and discover.
ang OA ng boses. Ano yun, may bayad ka yata, te?
Wala na, nagbayad ka na nga doon eh.
Ay,
Yan
ganun
na.
ba?
Dito na tayo. Start.
Ay, may ihian dito. Dito na ako.
Ihinga rin tayo ulit. Habang walang ano, tao.
Ihi mo na ako. Oh. Ay, ano naman yan? Ay, pasok kayo doon ako.
Oh, yun. Ihinga muna tayo guys. Yun. Pusyan na natin dito. Tingnan natin. Oh, mga duck.
Wow. Where's Kuya?
Naka ano na mga reserve.
What's that?
Ducky.
Great
Number,
blue
Ducky.
heron. That's big. Williams night.
Huwag mo hawakan ako.
Tama.
American
Region.
woodcock.
Greenwood
American
Steel.
wood.
Pero totoo yan, no?
Oo, totoo itong mga to.
American
Na-reserve na itong mga
bitran.
na-reserve nila.
American bitran.
Osprey pa lang.
Common
Parang
Kasi ito sa kabila. Mga eagle man to. A hawk.
American black duck.
Wait.
Common
Parang ibo lang to sa atin eh. Oh.
Kaya common.
Male.
Pero ang dami nila, ano? Daming,
Owl.
ang laki. Totoo ba yan kaya?
Snowy owl.
Ang laki, oh. Totoo to?
Yeah. It is. Dito naman, oh. Dito, oh. Ay, mga upuan pala to. Mga, ang tawag dito. Mga parang na logo.
Ha?
Yan man nag-save kay, ito naman nag-save sa tatay ni Nemo. Oh. American white pelican.
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 It's pelican.
Pelican.
Great black-backed gull.
Meron pa sa taas.
Mom was asking if it's real.
They are real.
Parang tinuturahan lang eh.
Ni-reserve na yung mga yan.
They're not alive. They're real though. That's all.
Timbang tinda.
Nothing lost. Sorry.
Ano, tayo na. Ito pa sa taas sa mga ano ng, ang tawag doon? Yung,
No, we missed.
yung, anong tawag?
Wow. Mama left.
Dito yung sungay nung ano? Moose?
Yeah, moose. Moose right there.
Ano, yung sungay ng moose, oh. Ano, moose. Ito, oh. Okay, dito tayo mag-start.
Wow.
Sa Shubenacadie. Yep. Ito na yung, baka mayroon dyan, bear. May eagle. Okay, let's go ta. Shubenacadie Wild. Okay. Ayan na. Start ng adventure. Siyempre, pasok tayo sa entrance. Hindi tayo pwedeng pumasok sa exit. Kasi labasan nga. Tingnan natin kung ano meron dito. Pero bago yan, magpapalit tayo ng battery. 9%. Anong meron? Ay. Cougar? Oo, they're cougar. Yun, natutulog. Meow! 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 Natutulog siya. Meow! Meow! Ayun, tulog. Puyat siguro yan kagabi.
Come on, let's go.
Ito siya. Cougar. Puma. Cougar Puma. Ayun o. Ayun, natulog. Puyat. Wala papalaki siguro yun kasi tanghaling tapat. Yan. Asan yung ano ito?
It's a groundhog.
What's the groundhog? Maybe it's on his house over there.
Come on, come on.
Hindi makita. O baka nasa butas. Ayun o. Let's go. Lakad-lakad tayo. Wala pa ata dito ano. Meron na ba? Pero nagtatago.
Kasi i-mower nila yan.
That was sad.
Skyler!
Well, like, where's the animal?
Ayun oh. Ayun oh.
Where? I couldn't see them. Ayun pala.
Lumilipad kasi ng ano yan.
Ito pala mga birds.
Bird?
Ayun na sila. Oh.
Bird.
Mga peacock ata.
Peacock.
Baka mga peacock lang makikita natin dito. Ayun sila. Oh. Peacock.
That one is a boy, but the rest is a girl.
Which one? Which one's the colorful one?
The colorful one is a girl.
It's a girl?
The colorful one is a boy, Kuya say.
Sa male.
Hindi, ang daming girl.
Daming female.
Oo, female pala. Bakit pinakawalan nila yun?
Dito naman sa kabila din.
Ay, meron
Mga wild turkey.
Naku, nangahabol yan. Hindi,
Dahil wild.
nangahabol yan kaya.
Diyan na sila, diyan na sila. Hindi, baka pagkakain.
Oh.
Kasi di ba kailangan bumili
Wala
doon?
kang pagkain.
Go na, go.
Ayun na sila oh.
Come
Ito na ano, I don't know, tignan mo kung mayroon.
Put you through the fence.
Oh, no,
Hindi ka makumuha, may ano ko dito, 50 cents.
Napakalayong pag-
Doon sa ano.
Oh, bad.
Later na guys, sorry.
No, they're like this.
Stop murdering him.
Oh, hindi sila nakakain tuloy oh. Hello.
Go under and touch him. Just kidding.
Yung pang isa.
They're so cute. What?
Baka mayroon din mamaya dyan.
Ow!
Elk? Elk? Masan yung elk? Yung elk. Ayun yung elk.
Wow.
Ang layo.
Yun ba yan?
Oo. Tingnan natin sa telepono.
Red deer. Red deer, yeah?
Ayun sila oh. Red deer. Magpapahinga sila oh. Yan, ta telepono ko na inano, hindi makita sa cellphone ay sa ano. Saan na sila? Malayo sila eh. Ayan guys. Ayan oh, yung mga pupuntahan. Pero susundan natin yung araw. Dito tayo. Let's go there. Paikot. You have to go here first. Anong meron dito? Makikita meron ba? Ayun ba na?
Turkey, vulture.
There's two.
Turkey vulture. Ano yan? Kumakain ng tao?
Meat.
No, it's a turkey.
Dead mammals and birds they find by scent. Turkey vultures. Ayun siya. Parang nanghihinga
Oh wait,
naman na
look,
siya.
look. What's that? What's that?
That's a tiger.
No, just look at that.
Ayun na sila oh. Nakikita ba? Sa ano?
How are you?
Vulture. Itong sa kabila.
Dapat doon muna tayo din sa kabila, doon.
But no, I
Paikot.
want to see that. I want to see
Paikot
that.
ata.
Something
Pag
there.
ano.
Pag ganun din? O, sige.
Oh, may
tara.
papagaroon din.
Here, I saw something.
Ang laki ng bahay niya. Isa-isa lang naman.
Yun siya oh.
Ang laki, ang dami yung
Anong meron dito?
Even tayo dito. Wait, you see that? You see that? You see that?
Oh, meron doon oh. Tingnan natin. Ano,
ang laki
kambing?
ng ano nila. Hindi, ang laki ng bahay nila.
Kaya nga.
There's only one.
Two, it's the black one.
Oh,
There. Yung kambing. No.
Paano siya? Ne, sabihin mo lang.
Hmm.
Sige na.
Meh. Yun o. Yung kambing. Laki ng bahay niya oh. Ah? Saan? Baka mayroong kasama pa doon. We can look here. Yeah. Ito bang meron? Oh, there's nothing in here. Ano yan?
Ay, meron siya may puro tae. Ayan oh.
Baka nagtatago sa bahay.
Puro tae.
Oh, it's right there.
Saan?
See it?
Ayun, doon.
Sa puno.
Ayun o.
Ay, ayun no?
Yeah.
Yeah, there. Not the puno.
Kaya nga yun no?
It's there.
Where is that?
It's
Mara.
Ayan o. Si Mara. Asan si Clara?
Ay, ang dami dito.
That's a sheep. Oh no, that's just a normal dog. That was a dog.
Ayan na o.
What is that one?
Ito yung nag-iisa. Malungkot siya. Nag-iisa siya o. Sila doon sa kabilang dami nila.
Bighorn sheep.
Ano yun
Ah,
pag ano malamig? Paano yan?
Oh, that's not.
bighorn sheep.
That's
Baka
Paano
eh,
pag malamig?
yun, sa bahay siguro doon. O kaya kinukuha nila. Nilalagay nila sa mga ano. May mga heater siguro ba kaya?
Oo, kasi pag malamig ay
A
Yeah.
cow sheep.
dami nila nga.
Bah.
Be!
It's a sheep, not a goat. It's a sheep.
Be!
Dati sa sheep na to go.
Ay, natagot. Ano ba tawag sa mga sheep? Be! Okay. Be!
Nandun.
Yeah. Nasa bahay niya yung bobcat. Ito oh. Ayun siya.
Papa, one.
Ito.
One. Papa,
Ito.
before they're gone.
Ayan.
Papa, they're gonna go.
Where? There's a duck.
What's that? It's a duck or a swan.
Ganso. Swan. I don't know. I think. You can show them here.
What is that?
What's this? Di, ayun na siya. Oh, nasa ano niya, gising.
Oh, that's it.
Yun.
Hey, Lace!
Ito oh.
Yeah,
It's here. Or there. Over there.
it's there.
Yeah.
So big. Where's Mama?
Pero kung tumaron siya dito, oh, pataas oh. Mababa lang to. Oh. Ayun oh. Nandun siya sa bahay niya. Di ba dati may mga nakatira dito? Wala na yung mga nakatira dito. Ay, inaayos pala nila. Moose. Wala na ba yung moose?
May nilalangan.
Right?
Ay, wala na yung moose.
I remember last time
May sakit yung moose eh.
Wala na yung moose
Oh
nila.
yeah, I remember there was a sign there that says
Yeah,
it was sick.
sick.
Mm-mm.
Wala na yung moose. So,
Remember? It was like a
yung
sign that
alaala niya.
Yeah, it's sick.
Kaya ano, nakahiga lang siya na.
Baka merong bago. Pero wala na dyan. Who's that, Shira? American Martin.
Yeah. Somewhere.
Oo nga, ang cute niya. Oh.
Where is it?
I don't know where it is.
There's too much branch. Oh, no.
It's hiding somewhere.
I think found it.
Saan na si Martin?
Bro is so good at hiding the beeline. Bye.
Dapat bumalik tayo sa ano.
Where is it?
Mahanap. Okay.
Nakakita tayo nandito.
male.
It's a male peacock. Ayun siya.
Bro being lost.
Hmm.
Bro, bye-bye.
No. Gonna bite you here.
Alright, well,
Ayun siya. Ano bang meron dito sa... Ayun siya. Tignan natin, kunin natin. There's a lots of peacock here. Right, Shira?
yes. Okay.
Moose sweeter.
Oh, that's Lucia. That is
Said washroom. Ayun pala. Naiihi na naman ako, kaiihi ko lang doon. Di ba ito? Meron ba?
No.
It's,
That's what Joe does to me. That's what Joe does to me. He puts it out and he keeps going like this.
Ano nangyari?
Oh, it's scary.
parang pang kuryente. Ito yung mga aso eh.
Aso.
Oo. Minsan nakita ko na. Andun sa taas.
Ha?
Andun sa taas. Baka sugurin ka na lang bigla dyan. Look.
Oh! Ah! What is that?
It's a wolf.
Aso.
Wolf.
Wow.
Over there. Makikita ba dito?
It's a coyote.
Coyote?
Coyote. I think he met his family. Be free! Just kidding. Don't be free.
Eastern coyote. Yeah.
Where did it go? It's a coyote. I think he met his family.
Siguro malungkot sila.
Ayun na oh.
Ano yung isa?
Parang malungkot.
Parang malungkot.
Dito na lang tayo sabi nila.
Kita mo. Di ba, ate sila dito hindi nagugutom. Malaki nga yung katawan nun eh. Yung, di ba? Pero yung isa parang may sakit. Or tamad lang.
Hindi ka lang makita.
Nakakulong sila.
Anong babalik tayo doon? O dito?
Oo, last na to eh. Nakita mo.
Naiihi ako.
Umihi ka na.
Ingat muna ako ulit doon. May natunog dito sa taas eh. Wala. Ihi muna tayo. Ulit, yan na yung ano, peacock ko. Sinundan tayo ng peacock. Huwag kang tumakbo para hindi siya matakot.
Oh, that's the noises.
That's the noises.
Peacock. No.
No, sanay na sa tao yan. Ayan na. Peacock. Sanay na sa tao yan.
I think they let them go.
May washroom dito. Tingnan tayo saglit. Washroom. Who let the dogs out? And then fox oh.
Ano, stop.
Natutulog eh.
Gising yun ah. Nakamulat yung mata.
Yeah.
Tulog.
Meow. It's alright.
Ano yung,
Yung isa nandun eh.
ano yung nandun? Ano yung nandun na nakita natin?
Ayun na yung fox oh.
Hindi, ano yung nandoon na nakita natin?
Saan?
Doon.
Eh,
Why are
coyote.
Ah,
Coyote.
taga sa atin yun eh.
Ano?
So cute. I just wanna pet it. So
Nurse
soft.
sa ano.
Hmm. Ayun na oh.
Wow.
Hey, fox.
Tapos pag, ayun yung ano nila, oh, siguro, ano yan? Walis, pang ano nila?
Pag ano nila.
Pangkudkod.
So soft. I want to pet it. Go.
Naku, kagating yung kamay mo. Di ba carnivorous yan?
Tulog naman sila. Mga tamad ang mga animals.
Come on, let's go.
Hindi kasi nasanay na silang
Mga tao.
pinapakain.
Busog siguro. Oo.
Sanay na sila ng mga tao na pag nandyan,
Smells like corn.
normal na lang sa kanila.
Smells like corn. Corn chip.
Corn. Big up banana that has the juice.
Paano likod na?
Paano yung likod?
Tira, paano likod?
Ito na yung pan nila. Malinis-linis ng konti. Biglang may buhaya na dyan. Paikot man to, pwede namang mamaya doon. Pabalik man eh. Diba meron dito?
Okay. Oh no, that's the wrong way. Wait. I'm making a backpack, guys.
Baka masira na yan.
It won't.
Pagod na kami kalalakad. No, meron dito. Ayun siya oh. Meow. Meow.
What is that?
There. I don't know what's the name.
Oh, it's an Arctic fox.
Arctic fox.
It's an Arctic fox.
Show
Tulog
Dad
na.
what you did.
He already knew. He knew since we went with Ruben, right?
Yeah. Sa ano pa yan? Sa nasa hotel?
Yeah.
Timberwolf. Minnesota Timberwolf.
Nasaan?
Hindi ko alam. Pero yung isa nandun oh, naka ano.
That's not a.
Ay, oo.
It's an Arctic fox.
Parang ano lang to eh. Parang,
Ay, wala na palang daanan dito.
Ha?
Wala na oh, yan. Oh.
Yeah, she right.
Sabi ko sa iyo eh.
I told you there's some here.
There's nothing there.
Mm.
Is there even an amp?
Pika.
Iba yan.
Huwag mo sabihin ikaw rin yun.
Iba yan.
Ang bilis naman niya.
Kaya nga.
Ayun, andito. Yung daga. Ay, daga. Tingnan natin.
Mink.
Ayun oh, nasa bahay niya. American mink.
Oh, it's in
Ayun,
there. It's
Ayun,
white.
oh. Nagagalaw pa nga oh. Oh, dumungaw oh.
He's so cute.
Dalawa sila.
Oh, it's two.
Hindi, kinakain niya ata yun oh.
Ano nga yan? Sisiw?
Yeah.
Sisiw
Those
na
chickens.
Mm.
Ay, yan.
They're
pagkain
dead.
nila.
Pinapakain niya. Di ba nagpapakain sila? Ayun pa oh, mga pagkain
Dead
nila oh.
chicks. Look.
The
Look, that guy. That one's his head is cut off.
Totoo ba?
Look, come here. Like, look at the very. Look at the very like.
Ayun yung
the-
head niya.
Yeah, it's off his body.
Kinakain nila.
Eh bakit kasi ang dami pinakain?
Eh, siyempre.
smells
It's
so.
like you're eating chicken nuggets.
Excuse me.
Ito na yung mga ano.
Sour Patch be like ripping their heads off.
Yeah.
Wait, what's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Oh, it's a chicken.
It's
Did you know your friend over there has been eating your chicks?
ribs. Pisan. Nagtatago naman na sila. Yan o. Oh. Himalayan Mono. Yan sila pala. Oh. Swinho. Hello.
Daughters
Mm.
or sons? Wait, guys, wait. I have to tell you guys some drama. Okay? Your friend over there has been eating your chicks.
Oh, let's go.
Eating your chicks.
Yung isa nagtago na. Dito naman na yung dinaanan natin. Asan na ba tayo? Balik? Wala ka nang puntahan doon. Ah, ito ka oh. Punta sa beer.
Oh, Skunk? Skunk? No wonder it smells so goofy off. Stop!
What?
Hmm.
What?
Wow, that's a raccoon.
Raccoon. Skunk.
That's like the pet from our other house.
Ayan mo deh. Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Ay, hindi. Snowshoe. Hare.
Snowshoe hare.
Iba siya.
Hare. Parang rabbit man. Ayun oh.
Kaya nga, parang rabbit lang sa akin yun.
Pinapakain na sila.
Big bat.
Ito na yung raccoon. Oh. Nakain ng mga raccoon.
Hindi, mga ano, apple.
Mm. Mga prutas.
Mm.
Pero yung ano, cannibal.
Ay, 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 ay.
Oh, diba? Sarap ng kain. Kaya kayo nananaba eh.
Ay, kinukuha niya lang kamay niya, de. Oo,
Mm.
sinusubo sa bibig niya. Yung isa, oh, doon na sa, ano, kinukuha.
Snow hair. Snow hair.
Snow.
Snow hair.
Here.
Snowshoe. Oh, sorry. Snowshoe. I thought that was snow hair. I'm sorry.
Tayo na doon. Oh. Ito, washroom parking. O, pupunta na sa, yung peacock ko. Dito yung beer.
Dito ba?
Beer brand. Ano meron doon sa taas? Eh, tingnan natin doon sa taas muna.
Ay, kita lang tayo dito. Ganun.
Peacock.
Hmm.
Peacock. 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 Wait, guys.
Ayun o, sa taas oh.
Peacock. Peacock.
Is that a monkey?
Monkey? No way.
Oh, yung peacock. Gala-gala ang mga peacock dito. Mm. Ayan siya
He
oh.
looks pretty.
Mm.
Oh, it's a porcupine.
Ay, porcupine.
I thought you were a
Yung mga
monkey.
pork-
It
Ooh,
doesn't
ah, ah.
actually shoot out like. It doesn't shoot out the snake. It just if you touch it, it's like easy to.
Yeah.
It's like if you try to touch it,
Porcupine.
it can come off easily.
Just don't do this. Do this.
Pag pang ano nila, pag mga tusok-tusok nila, ayan oh.
It's they're not. They don't actually shoot out.
Pero ano yan,
Just
nakakamatay
don't
yung
do this.
ano
Just
yata
do
niyan.
this.
Mm.
Yeah, and if they do
Ganun
that,
pang laban man nila.
don't touch it. Like they can't actually shoot it out.
Wait, wait.
Oh, ito swimming pool oh. Ayun oh, turtle. Ayun oh, turtle ba yun?
Hindi squirrel yan eh.
Yo, is that?
Otter.
Otter pala.
What are they called?
Baho.
It's an otter. Oh, bro.
O, nag-away.
Hindi.
That's his foot. Otter, otter, otter,
Ayun yung
otter,
otter.
otter.
Ayun, kabila.
Ayun sa kabila.
Otter. Otter.
Dulo ka, dulo. Sige.
Otter.
Sige pa.
Otter, otter.
Ito yung otter oh. They're here oh.
Otter. Otter.
Andun kay daddy na meron no.
Otter. Otter.
Andito oh.
No, but I
Hmm.
like that one. That one.
Nagbuhukay eh.
Otter.
Hmm.
Otter. Otter. Otter, you're full of mud. Go swim.
It's just one. That's wood. I thought it was.
No, there's two.
No.
Ito pa yung isa oh.
Mama said swimming. Here, this is how he walks.
Yung isa nandoon.
Otter.
Ginagawa niya, naglalaro ng lupa.
Oh, he turned brown.
Hmm.
Bro turned brown. Bro said black.
Naghuhukay
Let me
siya, oh.
just dye it brown. Oh, it's so cute. Huh?
Malambing daw yan eh. Yung otter, malambing daw.
It's so cute.
Ay, ano, naglalaro
Gusto naglalaro din yung isa oh.
I like that one. It's so cute.
Ano sila, madali silang maano pag ano. Ang dali.
Oh. Ito sa kabila. Saan mo papunta na? Ayun na yung bear eh, nandun na yun.
Oh, tara, tara.
Ikot muna tayo doon sa...
Hindi, pag ganun
Ano
sa
ba ng
pababa.
baos? Sige.
Otter, otter. You turned brown instead of black.
Hindi na pinansin.
Oh.
Ba't hindi pinansin yung guro?
Teacher ba? Umiti man kanina.
Ha?
Umiti.
I had to do research of that thing, bro.
Oh, that's even better, I think.
Ayun siya.
Bro, I had to do a
Ay,
slideshow
dalawa
of
sila.
you.
Dalawa.
Ay, tatlo.
Ayan po yung isa. Oh, bald
Wait, why is
eagle.
that one not head white?
Pinakain na niya, oh.
Why is that one's head not white?
Usog na sila.
They're
Ayun.
eating.
Kaya nga.
Ayan na sila.
Why is
Pag
that
gano'n
one's
tayo,
head
hindi
not
pababa
white?
na, pababa. Pinakain nila.
Bald eagle. Saan yung bear?
Bill said they had white heads. Look at that thing.
Yung American kestrel. Yun siya oh.
Look, bears, black.
Ayan. Kita ba? Ayan.
Hello.
Did you see it here?
Ay, ito pala,
Here.
di.
Ayan pa oh.
Did you guys not see that?
Ay, ito yung kinakain rat.
Rat?
Shh, Mateo, rat ang kinakain. Ay, ano? Rat.
I think that's a mouse. Ew, it's a bee. Starting to rain.
Pagod na sila.
Look, wait, can we go here? I want to
Ito
see
na
the
si
bear.
black bear.
Bear. Oh, there's the bear.
Asaan?
Bear. Oh, wait, that's a rock.
Ito na yung bear. Nandoon ata.
Where is he?
Ewan ko.
It's not
Wait, weren't we here too?
raining. Wait, why is the rain not coming? I'm water power.
Yun o, pinipicturean nila doon eh. Baka nandoon sa kabila. Tingnan natin dito. Tapos punta tayo sa kabila.
That's the one on top.
Barn owl.
May barn. Ay,
Owl.
may owl ba tayo sa Pilipinas?
Yes.
Ayun siya oh. Oh, buhayan oh. Ano bang sinasabi ng owl?
Staring contest. Oh, wait, ours.
Owl, owl. Ayun. Owl, owl.
Bar. Look, another one. Great horned owl. That one's the one we always see in the like
Ayun,
shows.
nandun siya. Hindi mo tayo makapunta doon.
Bear.
Where's the beer?
Oh, there's the bear.
Ayun siya oh. Ang layo naman. Yun oh. The black one. Malapit ba siya?
Mag-isa niya kasi.
Ha!
Dito ka, Day, dito.
Ayun ang beer.
Ano na, malungkot siya, oh.
Why you look
Ew.
so sad? Why you look so sad? You know I could just climb back.
Punta ka dyan ha. Naku.
I couldn't even climb up
Lalabanin
there.
ka niyan.
You can't climb
I
up.
will throw you up there.
You can't throw me up there.
Yes, I can.
You can't.
Nanghihina. Parang nanghihina siya.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Pero mas malaki yung noon. Or hindi lang siya nakatayo.
I'm gonna just remove my back.
I'm gonna get in trouble.
You always work. I know.
Mm.
Why is bro comparing?
Pag ganun tayo, pag ganun.
Meron ba rito? Ganun sabi na.
You say it.
Ayan na siya, oh.
The bear. Bear brand. Bear brand. Ah, naantok na. Tutulog
Normal
ata.
dog. Sheera dog. This is Sheera if she's a dog.
Para, ano, dinagyan nila ng ganito para hindi ma-stress ang mga animals na pwede. Kasi dyan, no, yung mga tao.
Baka lumapit
Your
yan.
bag.
Di, ano yun pa sila.
What do you mean, where my bag?
I don't know.
Oh, my purse.
Ayun siya na. Anong pangalan nito, Shira? Tignan mo nga.
Black. Oh, it's a vulture.
Vulture? Ah, carnivorous. Ano mga vulture? Buwak, 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 buwak. Vulture. Ito. Ayun sila oh, ayun yun.
Uy, ginawang baril yung aso. Sabi ko yung
Falcon.
It's so stretchy.
Alam ko, bili pa tayo. Ang sabi ko.
Yun yung
Sabi
nagpapakain.
dito.
Doon yan sa kabila.
Ay, hindi ba? Baka magpapakain. Baka magpapakain ng bear.
Bear.
Sa Papa Bear. Si Papa Bear. Wala, pwede ba dyan? Ay, hindi ba? Parehas din naman. Ah? Alin? Magpapakain?
Hindi, oo. Nagpunta pa baba. Wala dyan yun. Sabi ni Amber, so nice daw si kuya niya ngayon. So cool. Kasi sumama.
Sumama.
Oh. Ha? Ah, ito na yung last.
Hindi pa, siguro. Oo nga, yan na nga. Ayan o. Hawk.
That's not red.
It's that way now.
Thank you for showing us.
We didn't go to the other side though.
Maganda sa other side pa.
Can you show us our tail, your tail again? No? Bro,
No, I'm in there.
you just did. Show us your tail. Show us your tail.
Oh.
Bro,
Saan sa?
you just.
Baba tayo to.
Ayan.
Oh.
But like there's another part where there was like the one here.
Ang mahiwagang bibe. Bye-bye, bibe. Ah,
Pag sinama ko si Lola dito, si nanay ko, naku, pagod na pagod na yun.
malamang.
Dapat tinutulak na yata yun.
Sakay mo sa wheelchair.
Mama, see the drops?
Laway yun yun lang.
Not lava.
Number 8. Yan o, number 8 oh.
Turned out to be an astronaut.
To be an astronaut.
May
Yan pa,
I
may
call
bahay
it-
pa doon maliit oh. Ano kayang, kanino kayang bahay yan?
No, no.
Yan o, may maliit.
May I hold the camera? Guys, I'm holding the camera. Yeah. You're so tall.
Mm.
Where are we going?
Here.
Ow!
We're going
Why are
this
you
way.
doing this?
Kera yung shoes mo.
Sira mo yung shoes mo.
He's the one doing that. Oh,
Exit na tayo dito.
You're just here.
worms? Fisher. We never seen this.
Fisher.
This.
Saan ang fisher? Ayun siya, oh, nasa lubog sa tubig. Ay, bato ba yun? Bato pala.
Where?
Wala siya. Kala niya nasa fish.
Fisher.
I think he's a fisher because he grabs fish from the water. Instead of grabbing fish, he'd be like grabbing those rocks.
Oh, tapos na. Pupunti yung ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay. Kukunti na ang kanilang animals.
Sa ano?
Mas marami dati.
Doon sa pinunta natin noon.
Sa may sa pangalan nun. Yung sa may doon. New Brunswick, mas marami.
Daming what?
Ano, may ano pa doon yung lion.
Lion. Ang laki nun.
Ano tayo din sa susunod.
Oh, see? Wait.
Yeah. Next.
Naniniwala na ako.
Yan, dito na yung daanan.
Oo. Exit na.
It's that way, right?
Dito man tayo nagsimula kanina pala. Alright, hanggang dito na lang. Yun na yung ano, nagpakita saglit.
Ayan na, nagkakita na siya.
Oh.
What's that?
Nagpakain, kasi papakain sila eh.
What was it? Let me check what it is.
Meow. Ah? Iba kita eh. Ayan oo. Are you eating? Are you eating? No? How come? Sumagot. Are you eating? No?
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa...
It's raining. Go inside your house. Come on. Ah.
Are you eating flowers? Are you eating flowers?
Are you eating? Now, sabi niya. It's raining na.
It was already raining.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Nice, cougar.
Bye, cougar.
I thought much in black.
Mga bees. Live bees. Dami nila. Pero, pupunta sila sa loob. Mga fish. Okay, alright. So, yan guys. So, this is the end of our video. Salamat sa panonood. Yan. Supportan nyo ang ating munting channel. Ayan, may God bless us all. Peace out.